Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am going to give you ideas that how you can look rich in a low investment based embroidery dress. Yes friends, you have heard it right. Those who want to look rich but at the same time they don't have a lot of money, or they don't want to spend a lot of money on very expensive designer clothes, then friends, you are exactly at a right place and at a right platform. In this video you are going to get amazing, stylish and trendy ideas of hand embroidery design patterns, of embroidery dresses for girls, and at the same time you can also get amazing and creative ideas that how you could look rich, classy, stylish, elegant and elite class person by spending a very less amount of money or on a very low investment from a portion of your monthly salary, monthly income of your dress designing or fashion portion. For going further into the details of this video, before that I have a simple request that kindly, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now let's move back towards our main concern and main point, that is how you can look rich. Friends, as you could see that all of these dresses are very highly paid, many dollars designer dresses, and all of the embroidery patterns are in front of you. You can make these dresses, make these exact color combination based embroidery patterns by seeing these design ideas, by seeing these color combination, if you know the art of hand embroidery, or if you are a lover of hand embroidery. And if you don't know the art of hand embroidery, then you can also get these dresses done by machine embroidery as well. As you could see that not a very heavy or a very complex or a many dollar embroidery patterns are not these are simple, delicate, stylish and elegant. If you want these dresses to be get done by machine embroidery, then you also have to spend a very less amount of money to get these patterns done. You could see that different type of stylized patterns have been shown to you. You can use these dresses for your everyday look, for your office, for your school, college, university going look, or if you are a housewife you can wear these on daily basis. If you are going to some formal event or a party, then you can wear these. If you are going for shopping or grocery or any type of thing that you want to leave your house, and at the same time you would look stylish and elegant and extremely elite class person by using or utilizing these embroidery patterns. And in my channel I try my best on daily basis to share creative, stylish and designer style patterns with you. If you really like my design ideas, then don't forget to like my video. And friends, these ideas are for persons of every region of the world. You can use these dresses as summer dresses, as beach dresses, or everyday comfy look. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the stylish, trendy and amazing ideas, and stay tuned for my next upcoming video so that you could get all stylish, creative and a low cost, low investment based, highly stylish and designer based ideas of dress designing and many more creative DIY fashionable accessories as well. So stay blessed, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos, and keep supporting my videos and keep watching my videos as you always have been, and keep showering your love.